Igbo kpata na-eri akụ na-edozi akụ na-ene ụmụ gị anya ene ụmụ ndị ọzọ ị na-akpọ anyị ụmụ Chineke mama otuto dịrị gị.
Catholic Church. John Edo's here. This is my brother. And also we're here.
He was born on 10th February 1918 in Umadi village, Amudu. Both her father and mother were prosperous trading merchants. And after her wedding to her husband, Mr. Thomas Okafor, on 12 November 1933, her house was filled with other young women seeking training in home management. On 12 November 1983, she celebrated with her husband the golden jubilee anniversary of their wedding. It was exactly 50 years of their wedding. Mama, you were a teacher, a businesswoman, seamstress, and homemaker, who showed us the example of how the spouse supports the family. We aspire to create the same rapport in our whole families. Your kitchen was always busy, especially on Sundays, when people come to socialize in the house after Mass. She taught us how to share, even when we did not have enough. She loved us unconditionally. She taught us how to love. Your hard work, cheerfulness, and easy laughter were inspiring. Thank you for all the values that you taught us. Because you were strong and mentally alert, we thought that you would be with us for a much longer time than 92 years. When you began to pray more and bless people more, give us messages. Some people predicted that you were undergoing purification of your souls, preparatory for the final departure. It is said that heaven-bound souls go through this stage. All your life, you prepared yourself for heaven. There is no doubt in our minds that the merciful God was waiting for you. And that was why the smile remained on your lips as you left this earth. Our dear mother, we miss you. I repeat, all of us miss you very much. Mama, my siblings and I promise you that we will honor your name. Family.
Bele